And this is Pracheta. And today, before diving into the topic, guys, please like, share, and subscribe. And we're super excited to bring out more such content to you guys every week on our channel, Market with Style.
Right.
So, today's topic, right? I think आज का टॉपिक इतना ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है हम सब के लिए, be it any age group, be it any generation, because everybody is trying to find a hack to the solution and everybody is taking different routes, कि एक ही destination को पहुंचने के, and honestly कौन सा route सबसे more effective है is something that you and me literally want to know about, and that is why our topic for today is how to control your mind and how to take control of your actions, of your thoughts, to live a much more peaceful life.
Right. So, our thoughts really have a very big impact on our emotions, on our actions, on our day-to-day life. So, बहुत important हो जाता है अपने thoughts का pattern समझना कि क्या thought का pattern चल रहा है and कैसे I can spin it around in a positive way. क्योंकि इन दी एंड हमारे हाथ में ही है यार, क्या सोच रहे हैं हम, कैसे सोच रहे हैं हम. सो आई थिंक उसको एक पॉजिटिव आउटलुक देना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट हो जाता है.
The way you're saying it also now, I've heard this so many times, like you are the CEO of your life. Now since आप ही responsible हो आपके actions के लिए, आपके life के लिए, आपके thoughts के लिए, so why not use it in the most effective way rather than जो कचरा that keeps going on in our head ना, random thoughts जिनका कुछ logic भी नहीं है. And even पता है बहुत recently रिया, like I think बहुत because we also communicate off camera a lot, and बहुत recently 2-3 week पहले ही, I don't know how, but I just felt like I need to read about it. And इतना ज़्यादा read किया, इतने सारे videos देखे, and अब जाके actually when I'm trying to follow a certain things, it really is helping. Yeah, like 2 weeks down the line, of course there's no stark difference, but minor changes in your lifestyle, minor changes in your routine can do so much more better to your mental health. Is amazing and wonderful.
Exactly. Because see, in the end हमारे thoughts क्या है? They are not actual facts, right? They are just interpretation of reality or just our own little interpretation कि नहीं ऐसा ही है या यही सही है या यही गलत है. So अगर हमें पता है कि वैसे भी जो हम सोच रहे हैं शायद फैक्ट नहीं हो, तो व्हाई नॉट जस्ट गिव इट अ पॉजिटिव स्पिन, राइट? एटलीस्ट फैक्ट को पॉजिटिव स्पिन देने से हमें तो बेटर फील होगा, हमें तो बेटर रिलीफ मिलेगा.
समटाइम्स क्या होता है, हम कॉन्शियसली कोशिश करते हैं कि हमें एक चीज़ पॉजिटिवली सोचनी है, एंड वो कितनी बार आप करोगे, 2 बार करोगे, 3 बार करोगे, कुछ दिन करोगे. आफ्टर दैट नो योर ब्रेन ओनली लर्न्स ऑन हाउ टू थिंक a particular thought in a certain way. You can't control your thoughts, but you can definitely choose the thought and decide the action over that thought.
Exactly.
And remember, I was just telling you about this new app that I downloaded. In fact, I am बहुत recently, again 2 weeks, and उसमें ना they actually give you that option कि आपको life में क्या things के बारे में positively सोचना है, be it your career, be it your own self, be it stress or anxiety that you're dealing with. And you can choose the timings कि हर 2 घंटे में और हर 3 घंटे में, and they keep giving you a very very nice and a very positive pop-up, just a generic pop-up, जिससे आपको एक little push मिल जाता है कि ओ अगर मैं नेगेटिव वे में सोच भी रही हूँ या कुछ थॉट मुझे परेशान भी कर रहा है, maybe this thought is very temporary,
right?
It can be changed.
हाँ, मतलब you are तो talking about this app which sounds amazing and lovely. Immediately I'm going to download this. लेकिन I know, but ये ऐप के बारे में मुझे पता नहीं था. And even if people don't have such apps, सिंपल रिमाइंडर हमारे फ़ोन में एक सिंपल बेसिक फीचर है. अगर हम ये रिमाइंडर सेट कर सकते हैं कि हमें वॉक पे जाना है, वी हैव टू ड्रिंक मोर वाटर, सो व्हाई नॉट ऑल्सो ऐड सच पॉजिटिव थॉट्स का रिमाइंडर्स, राइट? दैट you can do it, or something as basic as you're already working towards your goal, it will happen. So even if you're feeling low at a particular point of time in the day, immediately cheer हो जाओगे ना, because you already got a reminder, that too from your own self कि listen, you can do it, go for it. So I think such small things really make a big difference in our day-to-day lives.
If you would have told me about this like 2 weeks back ना, शायद मैं तेरे को यही बोलती कि यार ये बोलना बहुत आसान है, करना बहुत difficult है. But because मैंने खुद ये, like I told you, just a few weeks back I started this, and I see that a little bit of difference in how I think, at things, or how even I look at situation, I look at relationships, I look at corporate relations. मतलब हर चीज़ में ना आपका वो thought process वो एक हो जाता है. But having said that यार, you know, a lot of times चाहे हम अपने आप को मेरी पॉजिटिविटी सिखा भी दें, हम हमारे माइंड को इस तरीके से मोल्ड करें that we look at things positively, the kind of energy that you give out, it's not necessary that everybody around you is also that positive or is giving out that kind of positive energy to you.
Right.
Like, you know, it is said so that you choose your tribe, but at corporate or even sometimes at you know, maybe corporate gatherings or maybe meeting friends or any random people, you cannot choose what everybody says, and it might happen that their negative energy or maybe their negative thoughts might take over yours. And so how to, you know, really stay so positive in such an environment is also something to think about.
Like, you know, while you're saying this, I can think of this theory I read recently called the moment of pause, which actually tells us हमारी क्या as humans आदत है immediate reaction देना है, instant हमें उस पर react करना है, which is not the right thing to do. You know, sometimes वो energy तुम्हारी तरफ क्यों आई या उस जने ने ऐसा क्यों बोला, थोड़ा सोचना भी चाहिए, because maybe we are a little vulnerable at that moment of time and we might give a reaction which is not the best option that time. So maybe take some time, think about it and then give a reaction जो शायद ज़्यादा powerful भी होगा, ज़्यादा thought provoking भी होगा and better होगा, I think.
Yeah, but this theory का ना एक problem है. When I read it, it was written कि take a day to process your thoughts and then come back with how you feel about that thing or that emotion that you received when the person told you something. Yeah, having said that, कोई मेरे को कुछ बोल दे office में, I'm like, you wait there, I'll come back after a day and I'll come back with a better answer or better reply to you. That, I mean, yeah, like you also need to understand कि वो theory को आप कितना
apply कर सकते हैं,
कितना effectively आप अपने life में apply कर सकते हो. Because
I know जितना ये सुनने में easy लग रहा है उतना होता नहीं है, because हमारी आदत होती है instantly उसके बारे में कुछ reaction दे देना. But I think this is one good practice which we all should follow, because I think इससे situation भी better handle होगी. You can also think about that situation better and, you know, come up with a better solution.
Yeah, I mean, this is definitely a great way, because in the heat of the moment, at least with me, what I see is that not the best of the reaction comes out, and which definitely does not lead to a good end to the story also. But yeah, but you know, I also feel when a person is saying something negative or doing something negative to you, maybe उस इंसान को शायद पता भी नहीं है या उनको कुछ फर्क भी नहीं पड़ रहा है कि उनने कुछ नेगेटिव किया, ना ही वो उस चीज़ के बारे में अपोलोजेटिक है. But it's you and it's your head which is again and again thinking about the same thing, releasing all the negative emotions and negative thoughts, and you are ending up affecting your own self. So rather, you know, why not in your head think that, okay, I have forgiven that person. Maybe वो time पे ना that person was not in the right state of mind, or maybe was not in the best of his situation. So we don't know what that the other person is also going through, right, at that moment. And that benefit of doubt can always be given to people, you know. It not just helps you to maintain that sanity, but also it gives away a lot of negative thoughts that you would have actually thought about.
But ये जो situation अभी तूने explain की, इसमें what do you prefer? Would you confront a person or would you discuss it with them? Because ये कहना बहुत easy है कि in our heads we can just forgive a person by, you know, making up our own scenarios, but always we are looking for an answer or we are looking for, you know, some kind of closure जो obviously मिलता नहीं है. But you know, how do you deal with it?
यार ये confrontation word ना for some reason मुझे बहुत negative लगता है. While you know, some people say that there is constructive confrontation, but I don't know, it has a negative thing attached to it. कि confrontation means fighting, and discussion, whereas on the other hand is just putting your viewpoint out, listening to the other person's viewpoint, and then coming to a consensus कि हाँ, maybe this can be a solution to our problem. So ये एक minor difference ना मुझे हमेशा लगता है होना चाहिए, जो अब तक मैंने भी नहीं सीखा है. हम सब ये struggle में है ही यार कि, you know, you either, like personally I feel that you talk to the person, a person has been doing a certain set of events जो आपको पसंद नहीं आ रहे हैं, and आप उस इंसान को बता भी नहीं रहे हो कि आपको वो नहीं पसंद है. So how do you expect that person to change his or her actions towards you until unless you're putting it out there? But again, this is a very personal choice, you know. I think you might have a different take on it.
No, know. So see, I think here communication is the key. So even I am not a very confrontation person, nor I like to be on the other side of it, nor I like to confront, because like you rightly said, बहुत लोग ना इसको थोड़ा negative way से लेते हैं कि नहीं you know वही झगड़ा होगा या कुछ होगा. So I think maybe yes, expressing your thoughts become very important, because otherwise you know बहुत overwhelming हो जाता है अपने mental peace of mind के लिए भी कि you know ये भी है, वो भी है, ये भी हो सकता है. इससे तो अच्छा यार बात ही कर लो, एटलीस्ट बात करके क्लैरिटी तो मिलेगी कि क्या चल रहा है. एंड आई थिंक दैट वे वी कैन स्टिल मोल्ड आवर थॉट्स इंस्टेड ऑफ कॉन्स्टेंटली यू नो मेकिंग सिनेरियोज इन आवर ओन माइंड कि नहीं ये हुआ होगा या इस वजह से ऐसे हो रहा है. क्यों इतना सोचना है, पहली कम चीज़ है क्या सोचने के लिए हमारे पास कि अब इससे भी हम हमारे माइंड को यू नो और स्ट्रेस में डाल दें. रादर जस्ट टॉक इट आउट.
Especially our generation is like the queen and the kings of overthinking. No, we have to overthink. नहीं तो हमको रात को नींद कहाँ आती है? It's like a ritual. I swear. But you know, while we say all of this, do you think कि एक routine होना या you know just following a simple ritual in your day makes it a little more easier to get through that day in a much more positive manner? Like a very simple example that I have started doing it earlier, and I don't have a different phone for my office. So abhi in my current phone, like after 7 I make it a point कि मैं Outlook के notifications ही बंद कर दूँ, and after 7 it is my time to make sure that I go to the gym. I am doing what brings me sanity. I like dancing, I'm going to do that. I want to follow my skincare routine, I'm going to do that at night. So you know, these simple things of living my life after 7 the way I like it.
You know, like you're saying कि you know at least if you like to say dance or एक skincare routine करना है या कुछ तो at least you have something to look forward to. In fact, even I when I start my day, when I reach office or if I start working, if the day is not going as I had planned it, at least मैं अपने आप को ये तो बोल सकती हूँ कि it's okay, matter of few hours, then you know I'm going to go and say dance or maybe go for my Zumba class or maybe go play some sport which I like, because even I have like a set routine कि you know इतने बजे मुझे अपने ऊपर एक time spend करना है, I have to work on myself. So at least there's something to look forward to, जिस वजह से दिमाग भी थोड़ा शांत रहता है कि ठीक है, matter of few hours, then I'll go enjoy, maybe meet you for coffee, meet some other friends for a drink or whatever, you know, whichever thing gives me some sort of relief. So I think उस तरीके से अपने माइंड को I wouldn't say manipulate, but एक तरह से एक relief देना कि it's okay, day is going to end and you're going to do something that you like is a good positive affirmation, I feel.
Yeah, that's so right. Yeah, I mean, I just look back at the time when 2-3 months back when we were hardly even aware of these things, and आज जब ये छोटी छोटी lifestyle changes, छोटे छोटे consciously changes in our thoughts are making it so much more positive for us as well as people around us. You know, आप जब खुद एक अलग तरीके की energy ooze out करते हो, people around you are also much more happier, much more you know, much more relaxed, want to spend much more time with you, and everything just becomes much more better. Too much of much more, I guess. But yeah, let's, you know, I really want to implement more of it, and I really have started believing, you know, to say so. I'm gonna read a lot more about it.
Yeah, so see, इतने छोटे छोटे चीज़ें we have discussed, and I think इतना भी implement कर लिया तो बहुत difference हो जाएगा life में. And of course ये तो never ending techniques, suggestions, examples हम पढ़ते रहेंगे, अपने life में changes करते रहेंगे.
Part 2, guys. Once we try some more new things, we'll come back with a part 2 for this in case it works, huh?
Yeah.
I mean, only if it works.
Right. So chalo, let's hope for the best and let's try to control our minds better, especially after this discussion.
Yes, please. Thank you guys for listening to us. We'll come back next week with a new episode yet again.
So thank you guys for watching us.
Bye.
Bye.